LAOTIE trademark ES19 steering damper, 60 volt, 38.4 ampere hour battery, 6000 watt dual motor electric scooter, 135 kilometer mileage, 10 by 4.5 inch wide wheel electric scooter. Hi, welcome my friend. Features: 3000 watt dual wheel motor provides the maximum strong power and maximum 50 degrees gradient. Turn signal and color screen instrument design. 60 volt, 38.4 ampere hour, 21700 lithium ion battery included in the product for maximum of 135 kilometers mileage. 10 by 4.5 inch inflation wide wheel tire for different grounds to take. Quick folding design for convenient carrying in your car trunk. Aluminum alloy shell for maximum 200 kilogram payload. Suitable for adults and teenagers for fun. The battery and controller has silicone heat sink. Dual charging system for quick charging time. Triple braking system. 60/61 alloy steering damper. Package included: 1 LAOTIE ES19 steering damper folding electric scooter, 2 EU chargers, 1 installation tool. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.